a painted cup, I will pour my love from a cloud above. So bright I can see the lights, taking you up and above the blue sky. Tastes good to be drinking all of the honey sweet brew of ours. Up in a painted cup, right in the sky like a firefly. Like a firefly. I believe to believe is to feel the fire grow within. I believe to believe is to see how the present comes from dreams. Up in a painted cup, I will paraglide across the sky. Let flowers and tiny hearts shaping a line in the cup of ours. So sweet like a honeybee can buzz around a honey tree. Up in a painted cup, right in the sky like a firefly. Like a firefly. I believe to believe is to feel.
So we have to go on the top of the mast, and it's me again. I have to do four actually main things there. First, I'm gonna change the mooring light.
Color in my love, love, love.
Then on my way down, I'm gonna check the problem, because the rope to Genoa, right, that holds Genoa, it gets damaged all the time. At a certain point we need to understand why. Then I need to put a spray along the mast for the mainsail. And we also have a wire, how you call the slab?
Yeah, some wire
Needs to be attached.
Because my son, they go.
To make it nicer, yeah. Yeah. So.
Look.
Thank you. So
When you are tired about me,
you come here,
I go like that.
I give you a pillow. So what just been done?
I put a grease on a wheel system, because it is a chain. So I put a grease on it. The chain become rusty, it's normal. I will have to do the same thing in another wheel. Check if everything is in a good shape. It is. So, and that was not locked enough, so I locked it.
So we are ready about diesel.
I want to use old one we have in the tank. I don't want to keep it for too long. So now I put that in a boat tank. Then I'm gonna fill up the boat tank too. We're gonna have 240 liters of diesel on board.
For how many miles?
About 80 hours, or at least 5 knots average. That's 400 miles.
We're also having a new equipment on the board, a fridge, the one that won't require any electricity. So we have to test our net. perfect. And we have one more here. It's roomy, huh? We can put more stuff in it.
Of course.
For Atlantic crossing will be very good.
Do not touch it.
Yeah. At the time we were fixing our Genoa by hand, we knew that's not gonna last for a long time. And now with Atlantic crossing we need something serious to be done on it. So now we're gonna bring it to professional, and he said in a few days it's gonna be ready. So what is it for?
It is a security line, so when I have to go to the front, I'm gonna have my harness, and my harness is gonna be attached here. I don't like to put it here because if you attach here, you can fall in the water. If you attach here, normally you cannot fall in the water. You're gonna be like that. I don't want to be in the water attached and with the speed of the boat, and you get water and you die here. No. So the fact it is to try to not go in the water. It's not possible to go in the water. That's why I did it at the center of the boat. When I start from the cockpit, this one is attached, of course, and I attach this one with this one. So now I go out, I'm safe. As soon as I'm here, I attach this one to my harness here. Well, normally this rope is not here, of course. Huh? And now I can go over there. I can go over there. So now I'm gonna install the same thing on the other side. Like that, of course. I can start by the side. It's far from the water. It's better to use stripe instead of rope, because if you walk with shoes on stripe, it doesn't move. On a rope, you can lose. Okay. That's why we use stripe.
What else we have to fix before big day?
It is a saltwater pump, and there is a little leak here. Drop by drop means the seal inside start to be dead. So I prefer to fix it now before big travel.
Now we need to get warm clothing. Everything is in this cabin and in this cabin down there, and some between somewhere else. We have to find it. We don't really have so much warm clothing as we've been living in Florida, so we don't need much warm stuff there. We'll see what we have. So this is how it works here. Yeah, food is easy here. We have a grocery store right on the dinghy dock. The only thing we need to walk like maybe 10 seconds to take their shopping cart, get into the store, get things done. And the same way with their shopping cart, we bring all the stuff to the dinghy. Very easy. And of course we have a list of things we would like to get during this month. We actually thinking to get food only till Azores, as food is not expensive there, so we can refill there and continue our way to Europe. And now we're gonna take just heavy stuff like water, like flour, like canned food, and maybe a day before the start we're gonna take a fresh food and chocolate and maybe ice cream, sweet things. That's how we're gonna manage it. So pasta, main dish on the boat. How much we are taking?
100 kilo.
Let's take different one, like that it's gonna be more funny. So chocolate, one of the main stuff on the boat. As we count, we will need about 30 days to cross the ocean. I'm gonna take 30 different chocolate bars, one for each day.
What?
Half stuff is done. I think it's half, right? More or less.
Oh yeah.
So Jacques puts a name on it on the top with a marker. What for?
With the humidity sometimes sticker goes away, so we don't know what it is inside.
Over time, yeah, it comes fast, by the way. So we practice it often and it helps. Today is our second time we went to the store to buy more stuff. It's more about sweet things, canned food, things like that. And we will do one more time. We're gonna buy like the fresh stuff, meats, vegetables, more cheese, fruits. So we will have to come back one more time. We just got home from a very long day. We drove around the entire Martinique. That's the third time we went to grocery store. We bought additional stuff we need for the crossing, and still we don't have the fresh stuff. And it's like around maybe 10 p.m. Now we need to get all the stuff managed again on the boat, and I'm not sure we still have some place, so we have to work on it. We're gonna have dinner and we're gonna go sleeping. We're expecting a guest tonight. Our neighbors from the left, here is their boat, like ours, Beneto, And that's a couple who's been living on a boat since 4 years, and now they're planning to cross the Pacific in a few months, so would be interesting to share our sailing experience. What else you got?
Very nice boat.
It's a boat. We're gonna have the third boat, no? And a plate.
This guy is amazing.
It's beautiful.
Yeah.
It's fresh. And it's super hard.
Yeah.
He said over time it's gonna go
That's
harder, right?
And
Get
become
dry.
hard. He said you can paint it, you can varnish it, whatever, tint it.
And you can put wherever we want in it.
Yeah, we can put outside, leave it outside if you want.
Oh, that's cool, I like my flower. So you're gonna paint it in the red, right? After it gets
Why not?
dry. Nice. We also had a great evening being invited by Robbie and Sushi to their boat. Thank you so much for that evening.
Now we are the point to cross Atlantic. Departure is coming soon. So we are here in Martinique, and the final destination gonna be Mediterranean Sea. But for that we will stop to Azores. So how it's working? We have wind coming from Africa. It's Alizé. It's we got here wind. It's about 15 to 30 knots, Alizé, coming from east, southeast, northeast sometimes. So we cannot go straight. It would be nice because straight it's about 2,075 miles, but we cannot go straight against east. We have also depression on the north, turning like that. So what we have to do, we have to go north to almost the Bermuda level. Time to catch this depression, and when we get this depression, the wind will come from west and gonna push us on Azores. So probably we will be about 25, maybe 3,000 miles. We will try to not stop in Bermuda because we're gonna try to get some east to get some distance. That's mainly how we're gonna do that. Go north, get the depression, and go east.
You guys probably mentioned we are not answering comments since few episodes. No worries, that's because we are crossing the Atlantic now, and we are somewhere between Martinique and Azores. So we are on our way, and next time see you in Azores. Let us know what you think about our planned sailing to Europe by commenting below, and if you liked it, give it your thumbs up.